everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making our Southern white wine cake recipe, and it will definitely replace your most requested desserts as the favorite. I promise you, everyone asks for seconds, then thirds, and then begs for this recipe. You're about to spread some serious LOVE with this simple and unassuming white wine cake recipe. Here's a quick look at the simple ingredients, and you'll find the recipe in the description box below. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To start, grease the pan with a generous pat of salted butter, then dust with flour, shaking to coat all surfaces and tapping out any extra. If you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make delicious food you'll be proud to share with friends and family. And if you're like me, you've seen how sharing homemade food can spread joy, touch lives, and, well, make the day a little brighter. And this simple cake is going to make it super easy to do just that. In a mixing bowl, combine a package of yellow cake mix and a package of vanilla instant pudding. Our market only had the large package, so I'm using just over half of this box. Then add a 1/4 cup white sugar, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of white wine, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 4 large eggs. Almost all of the alcohol will be cooked out of the wine, leaving an amazing, delicate flavor that you can't quite put your finger on. To make a completely alcohol-free cake, you can also use orange juice or white grape juice instead. Blend on medium speed until incorporated. Then beat on medium-high speed for about 2 minutes. Pour the batter into the prepared bundt pan. If this is your first time with us, we have new recipes every week. Subscribe and ring the bell to know when we've posted a new recipe. Tap the pan gently on the counter to settle any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven for about 50 or 60 minutes. Your kitchen will smell wonderful, like you're making donuts. While the cake is baking, melt 1/2 cup of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the remaining 1 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of white wine. Cook gently and stir to dissolve the sugar. Let the mixture cool slightly as the cake finishes baking. Use a long skewer to check the cake for doneness, and when the skewer comes out clean, it's ready. Make sure to pour the warm wine glaze over the cake while it's still hot, which will help it absorb all of that delicious syrup. Set your serving platter over the bundt cake pan, and then quickly turn the cake over. Tap the sides of the pan to help loosen the cake, and shake it out onto your platter. Then sprinkle on some powdered sugar to top your cake. Slice and serve with berries, whipped cream, or your favorite ice cream. This cake makes such a lovely brunch or bridal shower dessert, and it's especially delicious with a steaming cup of coffee. It's also known as crack cake, I think because it's so good, all it takes is one little bite of this decadent dish, and it will always top your most requested favorites. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you know when we've posted a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.